Hey, what's up everybody? This is Clayton Gonçalves with Go Analytics, and today I want to show you how to connect to a file in a SharePoint folder. So let's head over to my laptop and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so we're here in Power BI desktop, and what we need to do first is to get the link to the SharePoint folder. So I'm gonna head over here to my browser, and I see here here's the path for where my data is stored, and let's say I just want to bring in this products table. So I'll go ahead and copy the link for this SharePoint folder and get back over to Power BI desktop. Now I'll go into the get data section and expand more to open up our data sources dialog window, and from here I'll be able to search for the SharePoint connector, and there's a couple here. There's one to connect to a SharePoint list, and there's one to connect to a SharePoint folder. So I'm gonna click on SharePoint folder and click connect. Now Power BI is going to ask me for the link, the site URL, so I'll just paste that in and hit OK. And now it's going to show me all of the files that are stored in this SharePoint folder. So this is a lot of stuff. There's a bunch of different things in this SharePoint folder, but what I really want is the products table, and I can see it here. Now Power BI gives me the option to combine all of these files together, which is definitely not what I want, because these are all different types of data loaded to the model. So what that will do is put it all into a data model, but I haven't even done any cleaning, so this is not what I want. So what I really want is to go into transform data so that I can filter out only the table that I want. So I'll click transform data, and now I can see all of the files here, and I see my products table right here. So how do I get just this products table? Well, the best thing for me to do is I can just click on this binary and it'll open up my products table. And another option here is combine files. So let's say if you watched our previous video on how to connect to several files in a folder that are all of the same structure, you could do that from here as well. So you could combine these files if they all had the same structure. But since I know they don't, I'm just going to open up the products table. So I'll click on binary, and that'll open up my products table. And now I have it here. I can rename it to just call it products. And now I'm able to load it to the data model. And as you can see here, Power BI has brought in my products table, and I'm able to start creating visualizations from this data. So that's how you connect to a single file in a SharePoint folder. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, and if you want to see more videos on how to do certain things in Power BI, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.